John has been telling us, we have a first alert weather day on our hands with winter weather advisories happening today across the area. And Noëlle, Lilley once again out in our first alert weather tracker. She's checking out conditions on the west side. Noëlle, what are you looking at right now? How are things looking on the roads?
Well, it's just getting slicker out here as the day and morning goes on. We did see a couple people out running this morning. If you are doing that, please wear the right shoes and take it easy, because you can see it's still very slushy and slippery out there here, especially here on the west side. Now, I want to give you a chance to see the roads for my drivers out there that are heading out for the day. We do continue to see wet and slick road conditions with low visibility. You can see there on our windshields, we've got the wipers going, but it's non-stop, pretty consistent out here. So you want to have your wipers going too. You can see up there, we do see sanitation trucks on the road. They are salting and plowing, just doing everything to keep you safe. Our tires, again, just taking it nice and easy over these wet roads. But we do still see some snow left over from yesterday too. So it's creating quite a messy situation across the city. We've been in the Bronx, we've been in Upper Manhattan, now here in Midtown, the west side of Manhattan, and even everywhere we go, we continue to see leftover snow from yesterday, plus more accumulating today as it continues to come down. For you, as you're heading out the door, things to keep in mind: if you're a driver, take it very slow and give the cars around you plenty of space, and use your low headlights. For my pedestrians, if you're catching the bus or the subway, you really want to just give yourself extra time as you leave the house, and don't run if you're in a rush. The Office of Emergency Management also has some advice. Number one, stay home if you can.
If people don't need to travel, we would advise them to stay home. But we do understand people may be going to houses of worship. They may, have to go to work or other things. So if you are traveling, people should definitely take it slow, wear sturdy footwear, appropriate clothing, take extra time, and always follow Notify NYC for more.
Now, again, it might look pretty out there coming down here. We're by the Chelsea Piers, but it is something that you want to just be safe and keep in mind. Maybe, as they said, stay home and enjoy the forecast with us here on CBS News New York, and just watch it fall from your window. Now, I will continue to keep you updated and safe on the road as you're getting out the door. If you have to go out on this snowy Sunday, we're seeing plenty of sanitation trucks out on the road doing their job to keep you safe. For now, I'll send it back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Noëlle, and we'll check back in with you and John Elliott in just a few minutes. And to always get the first alert of any storm from our weather team, download the free CBS News app.